Hi, this is Holly Mccabe with MediaGateXYZ, and this is cool stuff you might not know about. Have you ever needed a simple graphic to express or communicate something through visual aid or a project and didn't know where to find one? Well, the Noun Project supplies just that. The Noun Project is a website that collects and catalogs symbols that are created and uploaded by graphic designers around the world. The site itself was launched in 2010 through crowdfunding that raised more than $14,000 for the project. And here's what's really cool about it. You can use any icon you want as long as you sign up for the site. And since the work is considered Creative Commons, all you have to do is credit the creator of the icon somewhere in the project. If you want to say create an Instagram post promoting equality, just credit the creator in the text of your post. And it's always nice to, of course, hashtag the Noun Project as well. You can always have a choice to download the icons as an SVG or vector graphic rather than a JPEG, which makes resolution a non-issue and easy to edit in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to sell stuff with the symbols from the site, you can also purchase licenses easily and at a reasonable cost. The minimalist design of every icon is extremely professional and quite beautiful, and each designer does have their own little take on the nouns, which is really cool because you can find exactly what you need. And you'd be surprised at how you can find a symbol for almost any word or idea you can think of. So I thought it was so cool because when I went to the site, you can pretty much type in anything, any noun, any object, any item, and it comes up with dozens of graphics that you can choose from that are all just a little bit different, so you can actually choose exactly the kind of thing you want for your project, which is pretty awesome. The graphics themselves are top-notch, and they are made by professional designers who apparently have nothing better to do. It's like modern hieroglyphics. Each graphic is so efficient and iconic and minimalistic in what it's expressing that it perfectly communicates the ideas that you're trying to put across. Do you ever get tired of the poop emoji? Well, the Noun Project is for you if you want to express yourself with international signs of poop. Swedish poop, Russian poop, French poop, British poop. So the interesting thing too is that because English itself is a very non-symbolic language, it's a phonetic language, you can actually have the option now to express yourself using visual symbols. Thank you for listening. This is Holly Mccabe from MediaGateXYZ talking about cool stuff you might not know about.